We continue to bring you our non-stop coverage of what is a warlike situation between India and Pakistan with multiple attacks which have been underway now for the last couple of days. That situation remains particularly difficult now, but as a result of all of what is happening, the Prime Minister is meeting the three service chiefs, the Air Force, Army and Navy chief, also the Chief of Defence Staff, and they are reviewing the situation on the ground. Joined now by my colleague Aishwarya Jain, who's been tracking this particular meeting. Aishwarya, this is one of several meetings which have been going on since the morning, right?
Well, that's right. Multiple meetings have taken place since morning. We have reported that it was a long-hour meeting that went on at Defence Minister Rajnath Singh's residence, first in which he was briefed by National Security Advisor Ajit Doval. It was CDS who also went on to meet Defence Minister, a separate meeting in a huddle of the three service chiefs at South Block that went on for almost 2 hours. And after those briefings, it was all who have now arrived at 7 Lok Kalyan Marg, which is Prime Minister's residence. Let me quickly show you these visuals of Prime Minister's residence over here, where a high-level meeting is still underway as far as Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, CDS Ajit Doval, CDS Anil Chauhan, NSA Ajit Doval, and all the three service chiefs all are present inside 7 Lok Kalyan Marg, and there we can see the visuals as well of the meeting. Prime Minister is currently chairing on the ongoing tensions between India and Pakistan. Of course, there are certain actions that the Indian Armed Forces are regularly, doing, and they have been updating on a regular basis as far as the visual proofs or how there has been attempt of infiltration bid and how Pakistani forces are indulged in hitting Indian civilians. And it is India's stand that is very clear that India is just retaliating to what Pakistan is doing. They are hitting our civilians, and we are defending our territory. And standing instructions from the Prime Minister. Of course, the sources earlier stated that Prime Minister has stated that it is Indian Armed Forces which are being given complete free hand. Prime Minister believes in the professional capabilities of the Indian Armed Forces, and certainly the final lot comes from the top dispensation, the top leadership of the country. But of course, after those briefings, Prime Minister currently chairing this high-level meeting, which has started almost half an hour ago.
That's right, Aishwarya, and this meeting also comes at a crucial time because we've seen that in the past couple of days there's been a lot of escalation, especially this morning, and we've also had an unprecedented briefing from the government in the morning as well, talking about how India's action in Pakistan.
Well, Pakistan launched coordinated attacks from drones and missiles on the Indian territory. It was interjected by the air defense systems, and the most important thing to note is on a daily basis, as we are witnessing these ceasefire violations, the artillery gunfires across the line of control and international border, and how Pakistani army is up to attack the Indian civilians as well. And because of these ceasefire violations, there have been several casualties that have been reported since the engagements had begun between India and Pakistan. There has been visual proofs that had come out, and on a daily basis, it is, of course, the Indian Army which is releasing these visual evidences of how Pakistani troops are indulged in hitting the Indian territory. So, it is, of course, the top leadership in the government, which has also stated that, the Indian Armed Forces are taking every action possible, but the top leadership, Prime Minister, Home Minister and Defence Minister, very, very closely monitoring every situation day and night.